Let's take a closer look at this Bedsure Comforter where I ordered an oversized king. So this one is 120 by 98 just because I have a bigger bed. Now it comes with 3 pieces, the 2 king size shams, and then this comforter. Now it's not very heavy, but it keeps you warm in the winter time and cool in the summertime. That's what I love about it. Also, the other thing that's so unique is it has the stitching in the comforter so the comforter stays intact. Now this comforter is machine washable, but it's recommended to do it in the cold cycle. Now let me show you how it hangs on the side of the bed so you can get a really good look at this Bedsure comforter. And as you can see, the comforter comes all the way down towards the foot of the bed and it hangs down. And then if I go to the side, you can see there's plenty of length on the side of this bed. So if you are looking for a very super soft comforter, I would highly recommend this Bedsure comforter.